If you've ever wondered how to make your internet connection just a bit faster, more private, or more reliable, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to change the DNS settings on your Windows 11 computer using either Google DNS or Cloudflare DNS, two of the world's most trusted providers. By the end of this video, you'll have better control over how your computer connects to the internet, which can help with speed, security, and even help you dodge a few connection hiccups. So let's jump straight in. The first thing you'll do is open up your system settings on Windows 11. Once you're there, look for the section labeled Network and Internet. This is your main hub for anything related to network settings. Whether you're using Wi-Fi at home, connecting with an Ethernet cable, or even a mobile hotspot, go ahead and click into Network and Internet, and you'll see a list of all your available connections. Next, you'll need to select your current active connection. So if you're on Wi-Fi, click on Wi-Fi, or if you're wired in, choose Ethernet. It's important to make sure you're editing the settings for the connection you actually use. Otherwise, the changes won't do anything. Take a moment here to double-check you've got the right one. That's a super common place where folks make a mistake. Now, scroll down the page a little until you find something called DNS Server Assignment by default. Windows usually sets this to automatic, which means your computer just accepts whatever DNS server your internet provider hands out. Instead, we want to take charge, so click the Edit button right next to DNS Server Assignment. In the window that pops up, you'll see a drop-down menu. Select Manual from the list. This is where you get to have control. Why switch to manual? Because using a public DNS like Google or Cloudflare can not only boost your browsing speed, but might also offer better privacy. It's kind of like using a different map app that not only gets you there faster, but also doesn't track your every move. Now let's configure IPv4, which is the most common type of internet address. First, there's a little switch to turn on IPv4. Flick that on, you should see the fields to enter your DNS addresses. For Google DNS, you'll type in 8888 as your preferred DNS and 8844 as alternate. If you're using Cloudflare, you'd enter 1111 and 1001. These numbers are like the phone numbers of the internet's best directory services, so to speak. They help your computer find websites a bit faster and, if you choose, more securely. Now you'll also see an option for DNS over HTTPS. This is an optional setting, but I recommend turning it on if you see on Automatic Template in the dropdown. What this does is encrypt your DNS searches, which helps keep your browsing habits private, even from your internet provider. It's a nice, modern security touch. Don't worry if you don't see it, but if you do, flipping this switch is a win for privacy. Double-check your settings and then make sure to hit Save. If you just close the window, nothing will stick, so that Save button is your best friend here. Alright, what about IPv6? Some internet providers are rolling this out more and more. If you want full compatibility, just repeat the process. Back in DNS Server Assignment, click Edit again, turn on the IPv6 toggle, and enter the corresponding addresses from Google or Cloudflare for IPv6. These will look longer and a bit strange. But don't be intimidated. Paste them in, save, and you're set, and that's it, you're done. Your Windows 11 device will now use the DNS servers you picked instead of whatever your ISP defaults to, which can mean smoother sailing online. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below. I read as many as I can and always try to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and enjoy your upgraded connection.